Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm going to talk today about Venezuela's current healthcare system. And Venezuela's current healthcare system is a disaster. And it's largely due to Maduro and Chavez's legacy of socialism. Maduro's made it worse. And Maduro doesn't know how to run a healthcare system. Let me explain. Okay, NBC News did an article of a Venezuelan child named Samuel Becerra, and he had went for dialysis for his kidneys. Ever since he was born, he had renal failure problems, but he's been receiving dialysis for 9 years, and they've never had problems with this, never. But recently, when he had his last dialysis, he died of a bacterial infection. 2 months later, he died of a bacterial infection. It's just horrible. I mean, children are dying rapidly of preventable diseases such as dysentery and just regular bacterial infections. The opposition recently went around to hospitals to see what the current healthcare status of Venezuela is like, and 90% of the hospitals don't have proper x-rays, and they don't have proper laboratories to be able to diagnose somebody effectively. And then 64% of the hospitals don't feed their patients, or they feed the patients very little because there's such a food shortage crisis. Just a sad situation. And then also, at the beginning of this year, 48% of children under 5 or 5 or under, 5 or under, 5 or younger, are malnourished. And now, since April, the number is over 50%. The number right now is 56%. 56% of children 5 or under are malnourished. Sad situation. And I'm gonna do future videos. Let me rephrase that. I'm gonna do future videos saying why we should care about the crisis in Venezuela. But this is the information on the health care status of Venezuelans, particularly children. Anyways, hope everyone's doing well. Take care. God bless them. Bye bye.